The respondent, Your Honor, was arrested on 24th of January, that is on Friday, and presented before this court today. The allegations against the respondent, Your Honor, is publishing of false information contrary to Section 23 of the Cyber Crimes Act, Your Honor, where he published images of the funeral and a caption of my condolences to the first family, which purportedly suggests to be a funeral of His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, and actually captured some photos of the family members of the President, His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, in attendance of the funeral, Your Honor. Upon his arrest, Your Honor, he was found in possession of a mobile phone, Infinix X 600.
You're too fast, counsel. Trying to get you at the same time, trying to record what I can.
All right, Your Honor. Where did they lose you, Your Honor?
Yes, he also published photographs
of family members of the first of His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto. Creating an image with an aim of making people to believe that His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, was dead, which had a negative impact, both mental and emotional, to the family members. And anxiety to the citizens of the Republic of Kenya. Upon his arrest, Your Honor, he was found in possession of a mobile phone make Infinix X 683 one. X 6831.
Yes.
And inside the phone, there were 2 SIM cards. An Airtel SIM card and a Safaricom SIM card. The Airtel SIM card is registered under the name BENSON ASHIKO. And the Safaricom SIM card is registered under the name Joseph Kirui. Your Honor, having these 2 SIM cards registered under different names creates a situation whereby it's hard to ascertain the true identity of the respondent, which makes him a flight risk. And which will in turn make it difficult to trace him. In case he goes missing. One of the posts that the accused person, the respondent posted on his X account, going by the name Ash Papi, attracted more than 1.4 million views. And more than 100,000 likes. An indication that it had reached a large population of the Republic of Kenya, and most probably even out of the Republic of Kenya, as X is an international social media. We also want to bring this court to the attention of how rampant these acts have become in the Republic of Kenya. The investigating officer, Your Honor, also need to record some statements from some of the individuals captured in the said photographs. Purported to be the members of the family of His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, in order to verify the said information that was published in the respondent's X account by the name Ash Papi. We are also praying that this court to issue orders that the mobile phone of the accused, of the respondent, make Infinix X 6831 to be subjected to forensic analysis for the same is believed to have been the one used the commission of the said offense. This application, Your Honor, is further supported by an affidavit of the investigating officer in conduct of this matter. Corporal Edwin Metal. With us pray for the 14 days. And the custody at MALOVA police station. And, for the orders to subject before forensic analysis.
Say the names are Miss Mutuli.
M-U-T-U-L-I.
Yes.
Indeed, I wish to object to the application for the reasons being that the respondent is a very, very young citizen of this country, and the offense is very good, Your Honor. He has a medical condition. He is actually asthmatic. I personally know the accused person. He is not a flight risk. He does not even own a passport. I know him from the village. We coincidentally share the very same village. I know his parents, siblings. So I wish to assure this court, as an officer of the court, that the accused person is not a flight risk. And he is actually the first offense. This is the very first offense. He doesn't have any criminal records. So I wish to urge the court to have mercy on the decision making, to consider him out so that he can be attended to medically. Your Honor, I pray for the cash bill of just 5,000 Kenya shillings, because he comes from a very, very humble background. And I know that after this, he will have learned that whatever he did was actually wrong. On the issue of the cell phone being retained by the DCI, I don't object on that, because it is actually tweeting. They can retain the cell phone so that we restrain him from doing the same mistake. On reporting and the issue of doing the further investigations, if they wish him to report to the police station at Mudaiga, Your Honor, I stay around, so I can have him with me. I can ensure that he reports whenever is needed until the case kickstarts. On the issue of identity, Your Honor, it is just a mishap that sometimes you could just have a SIM card from your parent or a relative, and you buy a phone from the other side, and then you just use it as it is. His true names are BENSON, MALOVA, BENSON, MALOVA. His true names are BENSON, MALOVA, ASHIKO. no doubt that the issue of identity could be in question, though I'm not actually saying that the officers should not do their work, but that's actually what they will find out on. So I insist and seek the court's indulgence that we have him out on cash bail, especially on the reason that he has to have his medication. When he was apprehended, we didn't have that time to have his medication with him. So I wish to pray to the court that we have his release so that we can take time to have him observed, because I've already talked to him. He's not well. Thank you.
Prosecuting counsel, you wish to say something?
No, Your Honor. I stand with my submission.
Capitation fees went from Gwinnett Primary School in Bomet and fraudulently diverted into the account of the respondent.
You said how much? Kenya shillings?
1,173,352 shillings. Which was fraudulently diverted into the account of the respondent, of which upon receipt of the funds into his account, he withdrew the funds and sent them to his accomplices. Now the respondent was placed and arrested in Ruto'S Township on 25th, while the investigation officers made logistic arrangements to transfer the respondent to MALOVA.